How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Bitget wallet or your Bitget exchange. For this video, I'm going to use Bitget exchange. So after launching your Bitget exchange, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the Spot option and here select the Withdraw option. Now you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find Tether USDT, you need to simply tap on it and select the on-chain withdrawal option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will show you USDT, which is the token that we want to transfer. Then in the withdrawal network, it will by default set BEP20 because if you select BEP20, you don't need to pay any fees. You can even use Tone coin, but for Tone coin, I won't recommend you to do it on Trust Wallet. So for this video, I'm gonna keep it as BEP20. Now it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then on the home page, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you need to simply select the one that is on BEP20 network, that is BNB Smart Chain. After tapping on it, tap on the receive option, and this is basically your QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy the address from here, then come back to your Bitget account. In the withdrawal address, paste the address that you have copied from your Trust Wallet. In the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Make sure that it is above $10. After that, tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, review all of the information that you have mentioned previously. If everything looks correct, simply tap on the confirm transaction in order to confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed successfully, you will be able to get your USDT into your Trust Wallet account. It may take up to 5 minutes, so you need to be patient until you receive your USDT. That was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.